Welcome to 5 Minute Fix, the only show on television where we show you how to fix just about anything on your car in under 5 minutes. After you watch the show, you should be able to do it in 10 minutes or less, and if you can't, well, then you're just a loser. On today's episode of 5 Minute Fix, we're going to show you how to take a transmission out of a 4x4 truck, and we're going to do it in under 5 minutes. Anybody who's anybody knows that in order to remove a transmission, you've got to remove the starter first, so that's where we're going to start. 2 bolts and the starter's out of your way. Once you get the starter out, you'll have easy access to the torque converter bolts. All you need to do is turn the crank, expose the bolt, and take the bolts off. There's only 3 of them, so it should take you less than a minute. Next in line is the drive shafts. They're big, they're long, they're heavy, but if you can't remove them yourself, you're just dumb. All you need to do next is get your transmission jack, support the transmission, and get that transmission cross member out of the way. Next up is a transfer case. And anybody who knows a transfer case knows that transfer cases are easy to take off. It's just a few bolts. So, get to wrenching and get that transfer case out of your way. Once you get the transfer case out of your way, the only thing that's left is a few electrical connections. So, take care of those. Now that you've done those pesky electrical connections, there's only one thing left. It's like 6 or 7 or 8 bell housing bolts. Anybody can do it. Once you've got all the bell housing bolts, it's just a matter of tugging a couple times and the transmission will separate itself from the engine. Easy peasy. And here we are with the transmission completely out of the car. No worries whatsoever. We did it under 5 minutes. Well, that footage wasn't for distribution. I don't know who put that footage in there. That's just crazy.